Hi everyone, my name's Ivan. So I'm a student of Journalism 101. I'm a junior, majoring in advertising. And today I just want to talk about like my final project, um, part two, which is like I make up like a website on WordPress to express my ideas in the following 5 pages. So here's the first page. The media technology I chosen was social media. So I just love like all kinds of social media. I'm like a heavy user of like TikTok or YouTube. And like I just think that I want to spend more time to research about social media to find out like the pros and cons about it. And then I can introduce it to all the listeners. So here's the second page. I did include like the history of social media here. So you see here the first three are um the early forms of social media, like at the stage when it's being established. And after that, I also include several like different type of social media as it developed like over the timeline. So you can see like a clear path here from the 1970s to present. I list all the technologies that are related to social media and posted here. You have like a clear look about what's going on. And back to the third page, it's about the impacts of social media. So I split this part into two parts of writing, the sociological impacts and also the psychological impacts. So for the first part, I just described how social media can just create like positive influence to our human world, such as linking people together, like allow us to talk to each other and make comments and post our moments on the internet. And it just make our worlds more dynamic. For the psychological part, I talk about the pros and cons. Like it probably make people more confident, but on the other hand, it could lead to addiction, or it probably just keep us like far away from our closest people. So that's why I'm also managing that we need more self just control, and also we need more regulations on social media so people won't be misled. And finally, I talk about the use of social media to society in our fourth page. So the problem I selected was discrimination. Probably like many of us has seen like discrimination happening around us, and it's still like a serious social problem even until today. But I'm just going to talk about like how I think social media could help not only educate our audience, but also just help those victims to stand out and just share their stories and eventually like motivate legislators and like governors to take actions and seek for changes. So I did write like a long paragraph about how social media can just play like a major role here. So finally, there will be like a video page here because I'm right now recording it. I will put it there. And here are some of my citations. You can just find the articles there. And that's all about my project. Hope you like it. My name's Ivan. See you.